Yo, what up, gang? I'm gonna give you a studio tour in Estonia, where the art's made right now. So this is a good place for canvas to get ready for the next area where the details are done. So we're adding some details to the Mr. Moon. And the good old story, going to the paradise. Okay, so here we are. It's like 2017. I started to go ahead with self-portrait, and the slogan back then said, "Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done." But I didn't like the slogan. It's like almost sometimes it's like too much, you know. So I lean towards more all you need is less, actually, the idea. Just so much stuff. I mean, look at this place. It's like it's a lot, you know. Why? You know, why do I need all these brushes? I don't, you know. I use only one brush at a time. Oops. So things happen. But what we're saying. Okay, let's make some paint and get started. And that's pretty clean. Not too bad. And we're gonna go ahead and continue with the stop worrying painting, and maybe even we're gonna put it in a tripod so we're not gonna get the wibbly. But we're gonna use 3 colors, okay? So what are the 3 colors? Well, the 3 colors are French ultramarine. We're gonna have the Windsor yellow. I'm gonna hit it with a Windsor red. Okay. Oops. And titanium white to mix it all together. So basically we're gonna use only 3 colors, and we're gonna make all the colors with these 3 colors. For example, the most complicated tone. What is? Can you guess? What is the most complicated tone? Exactly. Skin tone. But let's try that. We'll take some blue. We'll get some red. And we're gonna hit some yellow. Oh, proportion, I would say the same. And feels like what? It's like dark burgundy. That's right. And it's funny, the burgundy is also one of the colors of the year. Burgundy. So, and let's hit some white. And when we mix these 2 together now, check this out. I'm gonna go here in the corner. Is that a skin tone? Yeah. Rose. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's hit it more with the white, a little on the red, and let's take a little yellow. See that? Oops. Well, there you go. And let's do one more. The lightest light. Here we go. This is how to make skin tone with Martin YouTube Incel. Ciao.